You know the necessary wey we dey go person house so we go repair electronics. Unless na electrical work, wiring, we wan wire the houses or other things. But if e no be electrical work, no try am o. If na TV, dem call you make you come person house, it's better you carry the TV for your house and go to your workshop and do it. It's very wrong to lose television for person house. That's very wrong. It's not even professional at all. E no even dey professional. E very very wrong. So the next thing you go do, the best thing that you do is to carry the TV to your working place. E be like phone na, why dem no dey call person make e come your house come repair phone? How many technician wey dey repair phone dey go person house dey repair phone? You reason am. Most people wey dey get phone problem dey carry their phone go workshop go repair. Talk more of we wey dey do this electrical or technical work wey involve radionic and satellite, radionic TV home theatre. So the best thing is to just you have to dey your shop, let the customer bring it for you. He go give you that respect well well. Or if you really want to go the person house, just carry the TV complete or carry the home theatre complete and take it away. Then you give it time to bring it back. That is also professional. But losing it for person house is not professional. Any case that come in between you and the customer always win, you always right. Because you be like you be at the one that you be at the person wey fall victim. You understand? You go be the victim, no be the customer. Or he no send you work. So in order to escape all this, you just you just have to follow the rules. Na so e be o for handwork o. What of if you go open person television and maybe screen break? Na for there dey go hold you. They go mark lucky for room sef. So all those that thing, just try your best. Oga, e no work, bring it to my shop. If they call you tomorrow, oga, this thing no work o, bring it to my shop. You go get respect for that work. No be say person no go school, you no handwork, you become slave to money. And that thing na it's an insult to humanity, to handwork people. Or some people because you no go school now, knowledge people dey do handwork sef now. So make you just be like say because you no finish school, you come become person wey no dey knowledge. You need to try your best o. Let customer come and meet you. So that's my take. So if you like my video, I would like you to comment. Thank you so much.